hip-hop music from the soul, y'all.
Yo, hey. So your bitches are the prudiest, all my girls do this. I pick the one I want and then the rest get Brad Loomis. I'm the rudest, thought you knew this. Got your girl on my to-do list. She was bored of playing games with you. She came and left it clueless. Calvin Coolidge couldn't cover my whole crew and all we doing. I'm just dreaming with the stars like I'm a young George Lucas. Yeah, but we're young and foolish, man. The combination shit'll make you pay the reparation. Straight deviation, gotta make it pick from God or Satan. But we taking chances that could leave us broken, stranded. But I demanded that we're gonna make it happen just the way we planned it. Loose the cannon, always gotta rock a reckless, leave the past abandoned. Have us up in mansions, hey, leave the competition flattened. Man, I landed right on my pot of gold the minute I grab my life. And man, the mic, all of my dreams in sight. Every single night, we're gonna break them all. So call me Ari Gold, 'cause I'm the top of this whole thing. Yeah, now everybody grab a drink, yeah.